Welcome back, guys. Let's proceed with our course. So in the last video we set up Django project for the first time though, so right now we want to get in and start doing something useful with it. Okay, so let's navigate to the file where our project was set up. I think mine was in the desktop. Mine was on the desktop, so find where you put it. Then yeah, so in the last video we created a Django project. We call it demo project. So inside here I need to move to demo. Then when I list the items, we have manage py file and db SQLite. This is the database. So what I can do now here is I just want to open this file, my Django project file, with my favorite text editor. For my case now I'm using Visual Studio Code, and you can really use the one which favors you. Okay, now you can see here I have a demo project and I have manage file py, and then I also have other files inside the folder of demo project. So let's go through all these files one by one and let's find out what these files are for. Let's start with manage py file. This is the file that you use for writing instructions commands that you can run it. Commands like start project, or like commands like run server, commands like for collecting static files. This is where all your commands that you use this file for running the commands in Django. Alright, so db SQLite is a default database that comes with Django. Then you can be able to connect other database systems like Postgres and MySQL and others, but for the development this one comes with Django, comes with the db SQLite 3. Alright, then let's come to the setting file. Setting file is like the configuration file that you can connect all other apps and stuff like that. So I will be showing you what these files mean and what they are for, how we can use them. Right, okay, now at this point I need to proceed and create our first app here. So to create your first app you need write a command that can make you create the first app. Let's consider apps to be, let's take Facebook. Facebook has the news feed, the login, and status. So those type of category could be defined as apps in Django. So you could define different sections that you find in the application as apps, so here in Django. So at this point let's create just a simple app that we can use, then we can connect it and we start using it. So alright, okay, to create an app you just have to type this command python manage.py, then you write start app, then you give the app name. And then for my case I want to give it a name to be main app. Let's see that. Yeah, so now if you go ahead and check, you'll find main app is being created, but let's go inside the Visual Studio Code and see what the app is for. Like what are the files inside the app. Now you can see here we have views and we have test py. This is for writing tests about the app. This is the model. Model is the way you can build a database for this particular app. Then apps file, then admin, init file. This shows the migrations that you have done. So okay, so this is enough for this video, and we'll proceed from here with connection and other things. Please consider to subscribe if you want to learn Django, and I'll teach you everything you need to understand in Django. Thank you.